We're going to now embark upon a tutorial that's going to show us how to enter data into AllmyData's data tables. So let's get started. Go down here and click the icon. AllmyData is on its way up, as you can see. This is just a message telling us really there's no calendar. That's because I deleted it. Okay, we're going to start out with a table called My Little Table. And you can look up at the top here, you see the name of it. See right there, My Little Table? And it lives inside of a database called Important Data. See that? That's the database name. That's the table name. Over here on the right is the path to that database. Okay, so how do we enter data? We got a data area. This is the area we're going to enter the data into. And to keep us organized, this shows us what we're supposed to enter. The last name goes in this first column. The first name goes in the second one. The phone number goes there. Street address goes here. City here. And state or province here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to make up some names. These names have no meaning really. So let's make the first one Bob Jones. So I'm going to say Jones, Bob, in the first name. No phone number. We'll leave it blank. Street, 456. T-Y-D-Y. T-I-D-Y. Tidy Drive. Okay, and the city, we're going to make that Memphis, Tennessee. Now, when we go down to this one, this last one, we see we have a text box, a drop down list box. So let's go down to Tennessee with this, and we select it from the list, and there we go. We go up here and we save it. Okay. Down here now it says, where it used to say empty, now it says we got one row, and the table has one row, and we're pointing to row number 1. Okay, so let's add another one. Go right here again to our little add record icon, and we added another one, and it copied the data from the old one just in case we want to use some of it. You can set all my data up so it'll erase everything when it adds a new record, or you can set it up to copy fields. So we got it copying fields here. Okay, so let's change this one to, let's say this is also a Jones. Let's say Mary Jones. And say that this one lives at 764 My Street. And say this one lives in Nashville, Tennessee. Okay, so now we'll just go up here and save it. Now we got two rows. The table has 2 rows, and we're pointing to row number 2. So let's take it a step further. Let's erase it all this time. We go to this pencil eraser right here. Bing, see it's all gone. And we say, I erased it too soon. I didn't add the record yet. Let's add the record, okay. Now, this one, let's say, is persons. And the first name is Jasper. And the street address is 783 Towers Towers Lane. And the city is Dallas. And we're going to make the state or province Texas. Okay, so we save that one. Look down here. Now we're pointing to row number 3, and it says the table has 3 rows. Okay, now let's say we do another one. And we say this person is named Jasper, the first name also, but let's change the last name to Trupe. Oops. Trupe. Troop. Jasper Troop. No relation, probably. 765. Tomorrow. Tomorrow's drive. And say this person is in Bingo, Texas. So we save this one. We now got 4. Let's add another one. What do you say? And we say this person is also named Jasper. Jasper Goody. And this person lives at 903 Tarblack Tarblack Road. And this person lives in Houston, Texas. Okay, that's good enough. We got 5 of them. Now, we can't see but one at a time here, see? We can back them up. Let's go back to the first one, number 1, right here, see? This icon here that points to the beginning. That's number 1. So we'll go down here, sure enough, row 1, Bob Jones. Let's go to the end. This one points to the end. That's it, Jasper Goody. That's number 5. It's looking good so far. Let's back up 1. Back up 1, we see Jasper Troop. Okay. Now, let's take a look at all of these at once so we would be less confused in certain cases. Go over here to the spreadsheet icon and click there. And there it is. We got all of them. Okay, we can see all of them. We can see there. Look at that. We got 2 that lives in Tennessee and 3 that lives in Texas. And we got 3 named Jasper. All of them live in Texas. That's not good, but that's the way it turned out. And we got Mary Jones. And we have a Bob Jones. And both of them live in Tennessee. Okay. Just to clear up some of the confusion, let's add another one. Let's clear this out. And we're going to say this person is named, Waters. Mimi Waters. That's 678 Tough Street. Ooh. And let's say the city is Chicago. And we make it Illinois. And we go and we save that. Okay, let's look at it again. Okay, there they are, all 6 of them. Now we can see we got 3 Jaspers, right? Now, I'm just going to show you, that's basically all there is to entering the data. I'm just going to basically show you now how we can do a quick search or lookup on something. We have 3 Jaspers for first name, and let's say we want to see all of them. So let's just clear this out and put in here, let's just put J. So give us everything that starts with J for a first name. Okay, and we go here to the spyglass and we click it. And look at this. We got Jasper starts with J. And down here it shows we have a view now. A view is a collection that is returned to you when you do a search. So we have 3 rows or 3 records in our view. Let's go over and look at them. Make sure all 3 of them starts with J in the first name. Yep, first name, Jasper, Jasper, Jasper. All 3 of them starts with J. Okay. Now, let's do a different kind of search. Let's say, whoa, I didn't want to use this one. That was a mistake. We'll just get out of there. Let's say we, once again, erase this and we say, show me all the people in Tennessee. I believe we got somebody in Tennessee, right? Okay, so we put Tennessee there and we say spyglasses. Okay, it shows that we have 2 in Tennessee. This one says Memphis. Let's go over and see both of them at the same time. So we got a Bob Jones and a Mary Jones in Tennessee. One lives in Memphis, Tennessee. The other one lives in Nashville, Tennessee. But you can see they both are Tennessee. So you see, this is very powerful, the way you can look up stuff. You can use this any begin and any end and so forth, but we're not going to get into that now. Well, that's just about all there is to it. Thank you for your time, and make sure that you come back and visit us and watch the rest of the tutorials so that you can learn a lot about AllmyData. Thank you. Bye.